Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight negative numbers in red color in Microsoft Sheet. So get ready started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly, now select for the, then I show the product name in the quality in profit and loss. Then negative number is the red color in the highlight. Firstly select your profit and loss bar in the select and keyboard press from the control on. Now click for the currency, then click for the negative numbers in the second. Now decimal place in the 0. Now click for the OK. That's okay. Then show the negative number in the red color highlight. That's okay. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.